In communication, saying no is the toughest job ever. If someone comes to you and asks to do some favor, you can't say no to it. If someone comes to you and asks for some request, you can't really say no to it. If someone comes to you and asks you to finish some task, you can't say no to it. But why can't we really say no to anybody? Let's talk about that in today's video. And we'll also talk about how we can say no to anybody so that both the parties will be happy. So broadly, there are only two reasons why we can't say no to anybody. Number one, people-pleasing attitude. We think that if I say no to him, he will feel bad. If I say no to her, she will be hurt. And yes, that could be true. Because you are saying no, someone might feel bad. But how do we unlock this? How do we make sure that the other person won't feel bad and you won't feel bad either? Here is the trick you can try. If someone comes to you and asks to go for the party with them, this is how you can respond. That sounds interesting. But let me take a look at my calendar and get back to you on this. Simple. Now take a look at your calendar, borrow some time, in next couple hours or next day, respond to them saying, hey, I looked at my calendar and you know what, my calendar is totally booked. I have some other engagements. But hey, don't forget to ask me next time because this sounds really interesting to me. Did you hear that? Simple. In this case, your friend won't feel bad and you are giving them an indication that you are interested, but it's just that you are not available this time. Here is the second reason why you can't say no to anybody. It's because of the fear of failure. Yes, because of the lack of self-awareness, lack of self-esteem. Your self-image is so low that you think that if I say no to him, I might get into trouble. If I say no, I might lose my job. If I say no, I might lose my business. If I say no, I might lose my sales. So in this case, yes, definitely agree that you need to improve your self-awareness, you need to improve your skills so that your self-esteem, your self-image will go up. But just in case you want to say no so that you won't fall into trouble, this is how you can probably try. Let's say your manager comes to you and asks, hey, why don't you finish this task? I have a new task for you and I want that task to finish by tomorrow. In this case, this is how you can respond. Sure, I can do that. So currently this is the project I'm working on and it seems that you are giving me one more task. So which one I should finish? This one or this one? In this case, the ball is in his court. He needs to decide which task is more important. And he will give you a choice. He will give you a choice to finish one task. In this case, you are not saying no to him. You are not going to fall into trouble because you are upfront telling him that which one I should finish first. Make sense? Now you know there are broadly two reasons why we can't say no to anybody. One is because people-pleasing attitude and second is because of fear of failure. And now you know how to unlock both of these situations. If you think this video was helpful to you or if you just have any other techniques how to say no to anybody politely so that both the parties will be happy, why don't you share that in the comment section below? And if you think this video was helpful, destroy that like button. My name is Nikhil from Success Wheels. Keep speaking, keep expressing. World is your stage.